Ben, with his background in leadership development, sales leadership, he's a tremendous thought leader.
I want to share 3 keys to productive virtual team meetings. From my experience over the last 5 years, the last 20 years I've been leading sales teams, the last 5 I've been leading them virtually.
Oh, the chat's going up. It's hard to even see it. This is awesome. You guys are a fired up group. Holy smokes.
And realize and know that you are not your thoughts. And so we have the power to reject those thoughts. Reject it like a bouncer, rejecting somebody who doesn't belong to a club.
What I love about being able to adapt in a virtual environment, because I couldn't call Ben and say, hey, can you fly to San Diego? That's where I'm having my event. So many of you are making a transition from sales to leadership. I asked him to come on and just give us a couple of tips about doing that and share a little bit about his book that was just released last week and went #1 everywhere.
I appreciate it so much. Hey, so first of all, you guys have been going. You've been in deep for a couple days now. Give it a virtual high five or thumbs up if you're having a good time and learning a lot. We got Michael's going yeah. We got Joe, heck yeah. Cynthia and Felicia, unmute yourself and tell us about that heart. You got that heart up there. Tell us about that real quick.
I got it from Jen when I went to her retreat in October.
And if you don't have confidence in somebody that you lead, work on that. Find small wins. Where can you be confident in them? Start there. Build some common rapport. And what are they great at? And if they're not great at anything, what are they doing on your team? That's on you as a leader.
Hello, my name is Brian Tracy, and for decades I've been dedicated to accelerating success in sales and leadership. Ben Ward understands these qualities and what it takes to succeed at a high level in both sales and in leadership. If you lead a sales team, I'm confident that you will find the book Sellership this a valuable and enjoyable read. In fact, if you read this and follow the ideas in this book, it will change your life and your career forever.
Brian, thank you so much.
It's a great pleasure. Thank you, my friend.
And I'm going to share with you my personal vision map. Because I'm challenging you to get clear on your vision, where you want to head.
You want to uproot that artificial harmony that's like a termite destroying your team.
And I was a manager my first year, half of everybody quit. The next year I said, you know what? No, I got to step up as a leader. And so I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you some insight into what I did. By the way, I'm going to share this with you, not to be impressive, because I'm not even that impressive to you guys and what you're doing. My first summer, I made 25 grand. The next summer, I made 50 grand. The next summer I made 100 grand. Then the following 286 grand. Then the next summer 400 grand. I made $1 million in sales commission by the time I was 26. I only share that with you because what I'm going to share with you right now, it broke a major barriers, and this is how.
And I'm going to use that too. I like how you've painted it. And in the military, I hate PowerPoints. I'm not going to lie. We call it death by PowerPoint. But that was really quick and structured, but it was, quick bullets and to the point. And you could feel like the emotion coming out of Ben right as he was speaking. And so you could tell that he was speaking from the heart. And so that ensued with, like I said, leading with love.
I think when we talked about trust today, I think it's so interesting to find out on day 9 that you built trust with all of us. And today, right at the end, we're getting the bombshell that you built a company and did $1 million, and you could have led with that foot, but instead you earned it from all of us instead of leading with it. So that was like a big takeaway for me when you shared that.
I'm just really excited to know that over the past probably month Tammy and I've had, which has been really rough, that this probably today was one of the best days for me on this webinar. I'm gonna get emotional and even cry. As excited as this made me, I know it'll make our girls just excited.